Remember on April 2nd, 2025, US President Donald Trump held a chart as he delivered remarks on reciprocal tariffs, which he imposed to make America wealthy again. So, that is illegal now. But it is not me who is saying it. It is the US Supreme Court. In a major blow to US President Donald Trump, the Supreme Court struck down tariffs on Friday. The court ruled that Trump exceeded his authority when he imposed sweeping tariffs. The ruling stated that Trump persuaded tariffs under a law that was meant for use in national emergencies. The justices were divided 6-3 on Trump's approach to tariffs and held that the imposition of these levies was not permitted under the 1977 law called the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA. Quoting the Constitution's allocation of taxing authority, the court noted that the framers gave Congress alone access to the pockets of the people, and the executive has no inherent peacetime authority to impose tariffs. The US Constitution grants Congress and not the President the authority to issue taxes and tariffs. However, Trump has leveraged tariffs as a key economic and foreign policy tool. The Republican leader had described the tariffs as important for US economic security. But small businesses and a coalition, including US states, challenged the policy, arguing that IEEPA was being stretched into a blank check for tariff making, a power the Constitution assigns to the Congress. The economic impact of Trump's tariffs has been estimated at some $3 trillion over the next decade, according to the Congressional Budget Office. The federal data from December shows that the Treasury has collected more than $133 billion from the import taxes the President has imposed under the Emergency Powers Law. The US President Donald Trump has reacted after the Supreme Court struck down his global tariffs, and he is not happy. He called it a disgrace during a meeting with the state governors. But Trump announced that in an effort to protect America, he will charge more under the other statutes. He said that he is signing an executive order to impose a 10% global tariff under the Section 122 created by the 1974 Trade Act.
Today I will sign an order to impose a 10% global tariff under Section 122 over and above our normal tariffs already being charged. And we're also initiating several Section 301 and other investigations to protect our country from unfair trading practices of other countries and companies.
So, it is to see if the sweeping reciprocal tariffs will be back or not. But for now, they are illegal. This is Yashat Rai for NDTV World.